Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have several different products to test out for you guys today. I almost have a complete face of new products to test out, and the best part is that they are all from the dollar store. I got all of these from Dollar General, so everything that I have here in front of me is under $5. I have 6 brand new products with me today that I have never tested out, and they are still in the packaging. I have a $5 foundation, a $3 concealer, $5 contour and bronzer kit, $3 eyeshadow kit, $4 mascara, and I have a $3 lip lacquer. If you guys want to see how all of these products work out for me, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first up, this is the Broadway Colors BB Cream, and it says that it is a lightweight satin matte finish. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do a wear test for you guys since it is New Year's Eve and I'm going to be seeing several people tonight, so I'll do a wear test if it looks really good, but if it looks bad as soon as I put it on, I'm probably just going to wash my face and redo my makeup. They had 2 really light shades and then I think 3 or 4 bottles that were kind of like the same color, so I'm not really sure what this color is going to look like, but I don't mind testing it out for you guys and seeing what this looks like. So it does come with a little seal on the cap, which I appreciate. Know that nobody has looked at it and swatched it. So seeing what this color looks like. Yeah, it's pretty dark. That's okay. We'll probably be washing my face in a couple minutes. I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques sponge today, and as you can tell, it is very clean, so keep that in mind. But I'm just going to squirt a little bit of this onto my face and get to blending. Oh my gosh, this looks so dark. Oh my gosh. I kind of just want to die right now. Oh my gosh. This is orange. You guys, I don't even think that I can finish this. Let's bring it down our neck so that it blends in with the rest of our body. I am dead right now. We're gonna finish up this look. We're gonna make it beautiful. This took a really bad turn very quickly. No one's skin is this color. What? This is literally orange. I feel like I can't even test out the rest of the products because, like, I can't wear this. Anyway, ignore the color. Coverage-wise, it's not really covering anything. So that's another plus for us. Not covering a thing. Let's try to cover out some more on this side, shall we, while we're here. Yep, not covering a thing. Look how white my teeth look though. Okay, well, we got our foundation on. Let's move on to concealer. So concealer today, we have this concealer cream. It is called the Camouflaging Concealer in the shade Ivory because this is the only shade that they had that wasn't really dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a guess that this concealer is about to be like white on my skin. But you know, we're just gonna do this and then I'll just wash my face afterwards. No harm done. Oh, it's in a thing. Okay, well I like that about it. It's not just in a squeezy tube. It's got an doe foot applicator on it. So let's put some of this. Oh, it's not as light as I thought it was gonna be. Uh... I feel like as this is coming out of the tube, it's half clear, half like, I don't even know. And it's like, it's very, very, very sticky. I feel like I'm applying glue to my face. I actually believe that this is the worst makeup that I have ever tried out in my entire life. One good thing, my pores aren't very visible, if you guys were wondering. I am also today testing out this Pepsi, this salted caramel Pepsi. So, I'm not really sure. I've taken a couple sips of it already. Like, it definitely tastes like caramel. I don't hate it. It's not that bad. I don't know. I really love caramel though. I kind of like it, honestly. It's not that bad. Alrighty, let's move on to some contour and bronzer. So this is the Contour Artist Powder, and you get a pretty light brown shade, you get a banana looking shade. I'm not even really sure what this color is. It's kind of like a yellowy orange shade, and then a pretty good looking contour shade. It's not as dark as it looks on camera. Like, these colors are a lot lighter than that. But I'm going to dip into kind of a mixture between this one, and I'm going to use that for my contour today. I feel like you can't even like really see anything on top of this foundation. This foundation is the biggest joke I've ever seen. I'm so mad right now. I'm going to take some of this banana powder, banana shade, and I'm going to put this under my eyes. Okay, my under eyes are looking pretty darn yellow now. My face is orange, but my teeth are white. Maybe the eyeshadow won't be so bad. This is the eyeshadow kit, that's all it's called, in the shade Aphrodite. So these honestly look like pretty beautiful shades. I will swatch a couple for you. This is the first shade. It's pretty pigmented. These are actually very pigmented. So I'm going to play around with this a little bit. I'm going to start by putting this white shade right here all over my lid just to make a base. Next up, I'm going to put this shade right here in my crease. So that honestly looks very beautiful. Next up, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to put this in my crease as well, but I'm not going to bring it in as far. This one is definitely a little bit more powdery than the other two I just used. These are honestly really good. I'm liking this. They're blending really easily. They're not too chalky. Like, that doesn't look bad at all. I just scratched my face and I still had shadow from swatching. Today is not my day. Those colors do not look bad together at all. So next up, I'm not going to go too crazy with my eye because I'm going home and washing my face. I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade right down here, and I'm going to put this on my outer edge. Moving on, I'm going to do my lower lash line now. I'm going to go in with this shade right here that we used earlier and put this along my lower lash line. I feel like I kind of ruined the look with that underneath my... I feel like I ruined my look today. I feel like I ruined the eye look with that shade on my lower lash line. I feel like it's a little bit too dark than what I'm used to. Whatever. Next up, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to use my finger for this, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. I'm not really seeing that color show up. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. I feel like you can have inexpensive makeup and still have it look good. For example, e.l.f., Wet n Wild. Like, those are just two brands that are very inexpensive at the drugstore that aren't this crap quality. Like, this is bad. I keep looking at my face and cringing. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up this mascara. This is the Lengthening mascara, and they had several different mascaras there. They had like volumizing, lengthening, curling. They had several different. I want to say there was probably 6 mascaras to choose from in there. This is what it looks like. So I'm not even going to curl my lashes because I just don't even feel like it at this point. This is what oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. You guys, okay, this is what the wand looks like. I don't even want to put this on my eyes. Why did I've spent like $25 at this point on all of this stuff. Okay, we're gonna go in. We're gonna see what this looks like. I'm going to scoot in closer. Where is the product? Where is the mascara? I feel like nothing's coming off. You guys, this is so bad. This might actually be the worst mascara I've ever tried. Alright, it's pretty much impossible to do your lower lash lines with this brush. Okay, there we go. I got a little bit of it on my lower lash line, just sweeping it across my lashes. I'm so done. This looks so bad. I don't even think I'm going to post this video, honestly. I'm so embarrassed. But we have one more product to test out that could be a winner. But first, I'm going to take a drink of my salted caramel Pepsi. When I did that, I am self-tanned right now too. So that is saying a lot that this foundation is that bad. But honestly, as it sits here on my face, I feel like it's getting lighter. Am I crazy? It still hasn't covered anything, but I feel like it's gotten a little bit lighter. Last up, we have this matte lip lacquer in the shade One Fine Day, and it looks like it would be a pretty shade. That's why I picked it out. I picked out one that I figured I would wear the most in case that this stuff is awesome. And I also don't understand why the sticker is all along here, because now I have to rip the whole thing off. Are you allowed to return stuff like this to Dollar General? I used to work at Dollar General, believe it or not, but I don't remember if anyone ever tried to return makeup. Because this stuff is garbage and I don't want it. Okay, let's see what this wand looks like. I hate these. Okay, so it's just kind of like a flat spatula type of thing. It looks very, very thick in there as I'm wiping this applicator off. Let's do this. That's actually a really pretty shade, a little bit darker than I expected. Honestly, that it's not that bad. It's definitely a lot darker than I thought. It's definitely not the shade that I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be kind of a brown mauve color, and this is just purple, honestly. It feels very, very soft on my lips though. And it wasn't patchy. I mean, as I was putting it on, it is a dark color, so you do have to work harder for it to look good, but it didn't take much effort to put this on, and it wasn't very patchy. It doesn't look patchy on my lips right now. It's not getting onto my teeth, which I appreciate. I feel like it's not gonna last like at all. I'm wondering if it's gonna dry down. It says that it's supposed to be matte. It smells, I don't know, it smells like something. It does have a fragrance to it. I'm not really sure what it is. But yeah, that was the shade One Fine Day, in case you missed it. That's not that bad. I kind of want to try different shades. I'm not going to because the rest of the products were crap, but that's not a bad color at all. It looks bad on me. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna cut this video like off right now. I think we can all see how bad this makeup is. I don't even feel like commenting on any of it. The only thing that wasn't that bad was the lip lacquer. It's still just not the best. Like, I still wouldn't pay, even, I think it was $3. I wouldn't pay $3 for it. Again, I definitely wouldn't. The eyeshadow, I would not buy that again. The foundation I would never recommend to anyone. And the concealer was bad. It was like putting glue on your face. Half of it didn't have a color. The other half was just sticky, gross. The contour, that was just a joke. That's not even a... Y'all, I'm done. I'm sorry. This was a total bust video. I might not even post this. If I do, I'm feeling very confident. Let me know if you guys loved watching me make a fool of myself trying out the Broadway colors range from Dollar General. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you tried anything from this brand. Let me know if there's any products in the line that are a little bit better than anything I tried out. Everything I tried out was a joke. I mean, the lip lacquer wasn't that bad, but it's still not worth $4. But thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.